Looking for comfort and convenience on the go? The best wheelchair for travel combines lightweight design with sturdy support, making every journey effortless. Perfect for trips, outings, or daily adventures, it ensures mobility wherever life takes you. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Drive Medical SSP1 18FA Wheelchair. For travel, the Drive Medical SSP1 18FA is a top-tier lightweight folding wheelchair designed with a traveling adult in mind. One of its standout features is its compact and practical design, making independent mobility effortless. This wheelchair comes with folding back canes and a convenient carry pocket on the backrest, allowing users to store essentials or transport the chair with ease. Constructed from powder-coated silver veined steel, it balances durability with a lightweight feel, weighing just 37.6 pounds, which ensures easy handling during travel. The chair is enhanced with nylon upholstery and padded armrests, providing a comfortable sitting experience over extended periods. Its durable urethane tires mounted on composite wheels allow for smooth movement across various surfaces, requiring minimal maintenance while remaining sturdy enough for long-term use. Safety is prioritized with push-to-lock wheel locks, offering peace of mind whether navigating indoor spaces or outdoor terrain. The dimensions, 43.5 inches long, 24 inches wide, and 36 inches high, make it a comfortable fit for most adults, while the foldable width of 11 inches ensures it is portable enough to fit in compact storage spaces or car trunks. Supporting up to 250 pounds, this wheelchair is suitable for a wide range of users. Whether you're traveling, attending appointments, or simply enjoying outdoor activities, the Drive Medical SSP1 18FA provides a reliable, comfortable, and convenient mobility solution. Its thoughtful design, combined with lightweight portability and durable construction, makes it an excellent option for anyone seeking a dependable travel wheelchair that prioritizes user comfort and independence. Number 2. Drive Medical EXP19 Wheelchair. For travel, the Drive Medical EXP19 is an ultralight folding wheelchair crafted specifically for travel and ease of transport. Weighing only 19 pounds, it is one of the most portable wheelchairs on the market, ideal for seniors or adults who need a reliable companion for daily trips or vacations. The aluminum frame provides strength while keeping the chair light enough to lift and maneuver without strain. Comfort is prioritized with padded armrests and fold-down footrests, while the seat supports up to 300 pounds, accommodating a variety of users. Large 12-inch solid rear wheels make pushing the chair effortless, even over uneven surfaces, while curb assist features help manage small obstacles without difficulty. Safety is enhanced through companion-activated loop lock hand brakes, allowing the rear wheels to be locked securely without bending or complex adjustments. Storage and portability are made simple with a lever on the back that quickly folds the wheelchair, fitting it into car trunks, closets, or airplane spaces with minimal effort. Its folded dimensions of 38 inches in height and 10.75 inches in width make it an excellent choice for travelers who need a dependable wheelchair that doesn't compromise on comfort or usability. The EXP19 also excels in design simplicity, allowing users to focus on enjoying outings rather than dealing with complex adjustments. Lightweight, durable, and user-friendly, this wheelchair is a prime example of convenience meeting functionality, perfect for travel, shopping trips, or navigating crowded spaces with ease. It ensures that mobility challenges do not hinder independence or enjoyment during daily activities or adventures. Number 3. Drive Medical TR3070 Wheelchair. For travel, the Drive Medical TR3070 stands out as a reliable, lightweight folding wheelchair suitable for adults seeking both portability and comfort. Its durable steel frame ensures stability, while 8-inch front and rear casters provide smooth maneuverability across indoor and outdoor surfaces. Designed for those who cannot use traditional manual wheelchairs or require a travel-friendly option, the TR3070 combines practicality with user-focused features. Padded armrests and swing-away footrests offer customizable comfort, while the chair and backrest fold flat for easy transport or storage. The 17-inch padded nylon seat is not only comfortable but also easy to clean, ensuring long-term usability without maintenance hassles. Measuring 39 inches in height with an open width of 21.5 inches and a closed width of just 8 inches, this wheelchair strikes a perfect balance between comfort and portability. Supporting up to 250 pounds, it accommodates most adult users while ensuring a safe and stable ride. Its simple folding mechanism makes it ideal for travel, allowing users to stow the chair in car trunks or store it conveniently at home. Whether for daily use, short trips, or longer journeys, the TR-37E emphasizes comfort, practicality, and reliability. The combination of easy-to-clean materials, compact folding design, and sturdy construction makes it a highly versatile wheelchair for travel. Users can feel confident navigating a variety of environments, from smooth indoor floors to slightly rougher outdoor terrains, without sacrificing support or comfort. For anyone in need of a dependable travel wheelchair, the Drive Medical TR-37E delivers exceptional portability, practical features, and a comfortable ride. Number 4. Drive Medical Wheelchair for Travel. The Drive Medical Wheelchair for Travel is designed for adults and seniors seeking a smooth, comfortable, and portable mobility solution. Weighing just 41 pounds, it folds to a compact width of 12.5 inches, making transport and storage effortless. Its durable construction includes high-quality tires with push-to-lock functionality, ensuring safety and stability across various terrains. The chair features an 18-inch seat with flip-back desk-style armrests and swing-away footrests, offering maximum convenience during transfers or when seated at tables. Maneuverability is enhanced with lightweight yet robust wheels that glide easily through doorways and crowded spaces, providing a stable and smooth ride. Its thoughtful design combines portability, comfort, and functionality without compromising durability, making it a great travel companion for seniors and adults alike. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds, it accommodates a broad range of users, while the foldable design allows for easy storage in vehicles or tight spaces at home. Ideal for travel, medical visits, or everyday outings, this wheelchair ensures that users can maintain their independence while navigating different environments. Its padded armrests, swing-away footrests, and ergonomic design prioritize comfort, while the lightweight and compact frame ensures hassle-free mobility. For anyone looking for a dependable, travel-ready wheelchair that combines practicality, comfort, and safety, the Drive Medical Wheelchair for Travel is a reliable choice that enhances both convenience and mobility in daily life. Number 5. ZENBON Wheelchair for Travel. The ZENBON Wheelchair for Travel is a premium-powered wheelchair designed for adults seeking maximum independence and comfort during travel. Equipped with a high-performance 350W dual motor, it effortlessly navigates slopes, gravel roads, and various terrains, making it a reliable option for outdoor adventures. Its 20Ah battery provides up to 20 miles on a single charge, ensuring long-lasting travel capabilities without frequent recharging. Comfort is at the forefront with an ergonomic, breathable seat that supports proper posture and reduces discomfort during extended use. Adjustable armrests and footrests allow for personalized positioning, creating a supportive and sofa-like seating experience. Safety is paramount with its advanced electromagnetic brake system, sturdy frame, and high-quality tires that provide stability and prevent rollovers. The wheelchair also features an intelligent anti-collision system for added security in crowded or busy areas. Operation is simple with an intuitive joystick control panel and adjustable speed settings, making it suitable for both seniors and users with mobility challenges. One of its most impressive features is the automatic folding function. With the push of a button, the wheelchair folds or unfolds while emitting a confirmation beep, enhancing convenience for transport and storage. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.